That's it. Shake it off.
There's enemies on me still. Where are you?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Driving around the truck because I didn't know what was going on, man.
I got it.
I'm coming back with the truck.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
That's how you fucking do it.
I know.
Hostile.
Wrong passing.
Neutralized. Well done.
On the hill, on the hill.
Oh my god!
That guy saw nothing. Yeah.
Hostile dropping into the area.
Uh-oh.
Hostile dropping.
There's a hostile dropping in and I'm stuck
He
on a
dropped.
wire.
22. 22. We're standing. Get in here.
There's a
Oh
loadout.
my god, how the fuck did you win that?
Wrong side.
Targets in the AO.
Oh, is it not in this building?
I took it, I'm sorry.
Oh, it is! It's right here. Wait, where is it?
Red door.
Is it below me?
Your teammates in the gulag. They survived.
I'm killing everyone that comes through this red door, bro.
I just went through one.
No.
Ooh, she right there.
Guns still left.
Nice.
Oh, no way.
You just shoot him?
Yeah.
Shit! Oh, I'm getting aimed at. Shit! Let's get these fuckers, dude. Snake in my armor plate. Uh-oh.
I can shoot him out of the car, but I can't down him once I do.
Can I get the f in?
Targets ready. Get to work.
Oh, you killed him. Nice.
Was he the only one? Where's his friends?
No way.
No. Nice. Wow.
I'll try to shoot down the heli.
Enemy UAV.
I got the chopper.
Okay, I downed a guy way over on blue ping.
I think there's a guy on top of here. Or he's on me? I can't tell.
No, he's on the ground. Oh! Oh my god! Yo, what the fuck is he doing in here?
Oh my god, Chris. Jesus. Most wanted's on the buy.
On me. Oh my god. Delete your game. Delete your game.
What the fuck, man? He's so lit, Chris.
I'm not by you.
Fuck! Dude, the stoner is so fucking bad.
Where's the defense?
Oh. Dang, Chris, you got another hot one.
Contract update. New objective identified.
No, ahorita vete.
Let's go!
All supply boxes.
Jesus, bro, you killed them all? You animal.
I'm gonna
So,
go with the Kar 98.
should I use the munitions?
What the fuck?
Red?
There's a guy in here. What
Alone?
the fuck? You're alone. They
Oh,
cut
it's
the
red
shit out
door.
of him. Holy shit.
At the end of the videos, she says at the end of each video, ciao. What?
More guys.
Oh, yeah, right where we came from. I downed 2 of them. 2 of them are downed.
To our left, shit. Guys, get. Fuck.
I don't see.
Who was to the left of the building? I have a cell.
Thank you.
Another
That's all. That don't. That's. Fuck. You guys can see it. What am I trying to say?
What are you trying to say?
I really enjoyed it.
I was trying to say it's a team wipe, but I can't fucking
What the
speak
fuck?
English.
I didn't know there were 2 guys.
Your teammate has entered the gulag.
What? I thought he jumped out!
Our team's in a safe zone.
Out, man.
They bought a loadout. Ooh.
Don't let them get the loadout.
Frag out.
That guy just got absolutely fucked.
C4 just. Oh, it went off! It went off!
He's cracked, Chris.
Yo, Spence, we just fucking ran through that squad.
You're all right, mate. You're all right.
I got no kills. Just Overwatch position.
You evaded the enemy zone. Good work.
Woo!
Be advised, advancing
Dang,
your
I don't know how you
vehicle
survived
will
that, Chris.
return to base.
There you go.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the fuck out of Dodge, bro.
I get 500.
Oh, sure thing.
You aren't gonna buy a self? You're saving your money?
Oh yeah, I got no coin, brother.
I downed.
Would you like some coin?
Sure.
There's some coin. Don't spend it all at once.
Yeah. I'm sorry, would you rather have me buy 3 armor plate bundles?
And Sirski. You're really making us come to you, bro.
There's guys in that building that are gatekeeping the fuck out of me. Or
I dropped the loadout for you, brother, and you're not coming to get it.
That's
Kind of offended.
I really would love to.
I'm just saying fuck you to your homie.
Oh my!
I'm talking target. Go get that.
Someone just told Chris.
Whatever you saw him. There was another guy like right behind us.
Oh yeah, he got killed. Well,
Oh my god, that's embarrassing how I just
Dang,
sat
Chris,
there.
what are you doing out? We died coming to help you.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
What?
Bro, it made the red door sign, but did not like. It was like in reverse. You know how the red door looks like you're moving forward? It was like that, but I was moving in like reverse, bro. It also dropped me in the middle of the sky, way away from you.
Huh.
Oh my god, Spence.
He's embarrassed, that guy.
You're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Put that man in the spin cycle.
God, that guy is so bad.
I put that guy in the spin cycle.
Damn, Christopher.
Position.
Did that guy have thumbs?
That was a pro move right here. Keep landing on the train. Yes.
No.
What the fuck?
It's happened to me before.
I fucking hate this game.
How did that happen?
Crack the guy.
Let's fucking go! This is the most toxic thing ever.
It's disabled.
He jumped, he jumped.
We're getting sniped from behind.
I just went through all of my fucking ammo.
Oh, look at that.
Gas is moving in.
How lit is our car?
Located.
Not at all.
Oh, okay. I couldn't.
Do you have any extra AR ammo?
Not really. I have 19 spare.
Oh god, I've got 40 spare. I didn't think I was gonna do
Dang, dude.
That was so toxic.
that guy,
He's that
I killed that guy. He just goes, "Dang, dude, what?"
That was so toxic. I can't even.
2 times in one day. Feels bad. Sheesh. You said I win those.
Not even 2 times in one day. 2 times back to back.
Not really. I really want to go for that buy, but I don't. Yeah.
Oh my god, Spencer, you are the worst player I've ever seen play this game.
No way that just happened to me.